Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the Money Trading channel, and today we are going to show you this new strategy called the MoneyFlow Index plus alerts. This indicator is basically a simple money flow indicator, but as a unique feature which is these red and green dots that can show you a possibility of a short or a long. So I'm going to show you how to get this indicator, how to trade this indicator, test it 100 times, and showing you all the results in the final part of the video. So how do you get this indicator? As usual, you go to the indicator tab and search MoneyFlow, and you click in the first one. The second one is basically the same without the alert. So you click. Now what I recommend you to do if you have dark background is switch the plot to white. As you can see, is much better in the eye. You can see much clearer the price and the line itself. So how does indicator work? It's pretty simple. This is just a money flow indicator. A money flow indicator shows you exactly what the name says, the flow of the money. If the money is super high, much likely is going to fall, and the opposite, the money flow is too low in the red, much likely it go bounce at least a little bit. So how does this indicator work? It's pretty simple. You can trade this a million different ways, like you can do divergences. I mean, you do you, but in this video I'm going to simplify this a little bit and just trade based on the green and the red dots. So as the color itself says, when the red dot comes, you just short, like so. In this video I'm going to use 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. If the green comes along, you just, I'm not trading right on the dot. Why? Because I need some confirmation. I'm not using the replay for a reason, and that to show you, okay, the green dot comes in this candle, but you need some confirmation, because if you open in this candle, what's going to happen? Obviously you're going to lose. But if you wait for the next candle and you trade on the close of the candle, they look, now you take a win, an easy win. As I do with every single indicator, every single strategy in trading, you need some confirmations, at least some confirmations. You cannot trade blindly just because the indicator says it's a green or a red. You can short or long. Yeah, it's true, but you need some confirmation. You cannot trade right away running to the signal and then you end up losing the trade because you did not wait for confirmation. That applies in every single trading strategy with order blocks, support and resistance, everything. I mean, you need confirmation for every single trade you're going to open. This right here is the perfect example on why you need confirmations. As for the take profit, in these videos I usually use a fixed take profit. That's just because to do the 100 trades, test and then calculate everything, it's much easier using fixed take profit than I mean, I normally do in my real trading, I usually do with support and resistance. Most of the times I use Fibonacci retracement. In this video it's not that easy to calculate if I'm doing like, okay, in this example, oh, let's target, I mean, the golden pocket, for example. Okay, I trade this really better actually, but if I'm doing this every single time with 100 trades and then calculate, the numbers itself would not be that simple, that clear to show you. That's basically the reason why I use fixed take profits. But I do not recommend fixed take profits every time in trading. Just because, imagine this. Imagine I'm taking, let's see, a 4, for example, a 4 risk to reward ratio, and then let's pretend the price here just falls again. You would lose a trade for literally, let's calculate it literally 5 pips. 5 pips. You lost a trade. But if using, let's say, Fibonacci, let's say some important resistances, so it's normally it's better, it's much clearer. But for the sake of the video, I'm using, in every single video, I'm using fixed take profits. I hope that clears some questions and some, so now, as I explain this, I'm going to test this strategy 100 times in Euro USD, AUD USD, in GBP USD, in a 1 hour time frame, 100 times, and showing you all the results. And there is the final results of the MoneyFlow indicator strategy. So the MoneyFlow indicator strategy was tested in the Euro USD pair, AUD USD, and GBP USD using a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. The gain on the account was just 17% using only 1% risk per trade. That's $1,700 with a $10,000 account. The win rate was 39%, the lowest win rate I have tested in this channel, with 39 wins and 61 losses, and the 100 trades took 78 weekdays, meaning just weekdays, not counting the weekends. And this is an equity simulator. As you can see, it is not like others I tested in this channel. Like, it's not smooth at all, it's just super choppy, then in the end it just falls a lot. So I mean, you can test the indicator other ways, but I do not recommend you to trade the strategy using only the dots. I was just testing the dots to see how were the dots end up working. It could be good, bad. You never know. If you're not testing, you'll never know, you'll never find out. And this channel is exactly this, showing you so you don't have to do the research yourselves. You just, oh, this indicator, let me see, and you go my channel and you probably find the indicator you want to see. So that's it. This is probably the worst strategy so far. I mean, you can test yourself other ways, like doing some divergence. Other time frames. That's probably a better idea. But the dots themselves, I do not recommend. I really do not. But that's basically it. Hope you like it. Subscribe, hit a bell. If you want to join our Telegram group, hit me in the Instagram DMs. $15 per month, and you can get all our signals and trading ideas, and you will get the opportunity to get our free trading course that we are working on only for Telegram group members. And if you want our free Discord group for our community to share ideas and talk to other traders and so on. But that's basically it. Hope you like it. See you next time. See ya.